the difficulties you faced during this project?
During this project, the main difficulty is that doing the demo. I mean, we didn't have any support or any any support for doing this. Though at last we used the internet and we found it. We did the demo.
So you guys had idea about IoT?
Yeah.
Solid. All the best, guys.
Thank you. Traveling, and some of you guys hate traveling, right? The main reason that why you hate traveling is like lack of luxury and lack of comfortability, right? This is not only with the buses or with the trains. This is also with the aircrafts also. Usually the airliners as well as the aircraft manufacturers always find something day to day by like adding some luxuriness or comfortability to the passengers, right? So not only the passengers travel by the aircraft, the patients do travel by the aircraft, so they do need some comfortability. They do need some needs that they may be like be affected by something, and they should not be affected by something in the aircraft, right? So usually inventions come from like solving a problem. So we have found out some problems and we are solving here, and we have designed an aircraft which gives extra comfortability and ensures safety.
When they travel in the aircraft, they were affected by the turbulence strike. The turbulence strike, which means it makes sudden movements without any technical problems. So not only the technical problems, but also the health issues also be held. Like these diseases are the passengers were affected by these diseases. And our idea is to make an unwanted movements to the passengers.
From our observation, we made three alternative ideas. First, I decided to make a hydraulic chamber, and as a SWAG observer, and my friend said, other than hydraulic chamber, using spring is better than the hydraulic chamber. Another friend said, hydraulic chamber is better. Spring is other than spring and hydraulic chamber, both supporter is better than the both. So we made a discussion, and we came to a conclusion that is using boiler supporter is better, because when using hydraulic chamber, we face many problems like maintaining its center of gravity and centrifugal force, and we have same problem in springs. That is not efficiency also.
How many of you guys have been scared like when the aircraft takes off or when the aircraft faces turbulent strike? Many of them, right? And some of you pray for God also, right? Like some of you like maybe like have health issues. So the structure, the cross-sectional structure of the aircraft that we designed is this. The outer one is the outer airframe of the aircraft. The red one is the roller supporter, as well as the middle one is a cabin, which the compartment where the passengers sit. Here the weight means the weight of the passengers. This also includes the weight of the baggages. So let's go around the physics also. So according to physics, if an object have to be in a static or stationary, the weight should be below the center of the gravity, right? It should be below the center of the gravity, which means like, one second. If the center of the gravity acts here, the weight should be below the center of the gravity. So the passengers don't sit here, right? They sit here. So the center of the weight is acting on below the center of the gravity. And there is a sensor placed here, gyro sensor, and a sensor will be also placed here. This I will explain it later on. So let's see how it works. So here the ball rollers avoid the movements, which means like if an aircraft is traveling in a linear motion, the cabin also will be in a linear motion. Usually, in normal aircrafts, when the aircrafts turn, when it turns, the cabin also turns with it. But in the aircraft that we designed, the cabin won't be turned. When we are going to a circular motion, we have to turn the aircraft before getting into the circular motion. During that, the cabin will be in 180 degree. But when the aircraft is traveling on the 180, on the circular motion, the cabin the cabin being in 180 degree won't be comfortable. Think like a swing like you would have played in childhood. When you sit on normally, the wood, the plate, the bottom one will be in 180 degree. And once you go top, the wood also come with you with this degree, right? Because when the wood, and when you are like this, and when the wood is like this, this won't be comfortable for you, right? So the wood also come with you. This adds extra comfortability. This is what happens here. So as my colleague explained that 3 alternative ideas like using spring, using hydraulic chambers, and using roller supporters. So the reason why we are using roller supporters in this project are, it has a higher bearing capacity. The friction of the bowlers can be reduced or increased by adding grease or by making the bowler rough. As it can be easily renewable, so it is easy to get into the market also. So the instances where the other fields where we use this concept are used in bicycle, can be applied in ships. This idea can be also applied in ships that also have not been invented yet, but we have just forwarded you an idea and used in turning swing, like in circuses also this concept is used. So gyroscope. So gyroscope sensors mean the angular rate sensor or angular velocity sensor. Gyroscope has 2 properties. One is rigidity and one is preciption. Rigidity means like the angle of axis being on a stationary state. Like the angle of, when the angle of axis goes even to the 1 degree, that means it goes to the property of preciption. Preciption means the change of angle of axis. So when the aircraft is traveling in a linear motion, it is in the property of rigidity. And when the aircraft is moving in a circular path, it is in the property of preciption. So here, why we are using gyroscope is to find the angle of the compartment, the cabin, and also to find the angle of the outer airframe. So the reason why we are finding the angle of the compartment as well as the angle of the airframe is you will know that there is a display in the cockpit where the pilot sit, and it displays the current status of the aircraft. So the angle, the both angle will also be shown to the pilot's display. As well as this will be helpful to the pilot to make decisions, especially during emergency situations. As well as this information will be displayed on passenger display screen also. When the patients are traveling on the aircraft, the doctors can make decisions like they can treat the patient according to the angle the aircraft is moving on. So when the angle of the airframe sensor is on perpendicular to the ground, and this is on the ground, the angle of difference is 0. And when the angle of the outer airframe, when it goes to the clockwise, that means it is going to the plus. So what we have designed is that when the sensor goes to the clockwise, it shows the plus, and when the sensor goes to the anti-clockwise, it goes to the minus, which shows the clockwise or the anti-clockwise the aircraft is turning. So when the aircraft is, when the outer airframe is on the clockwise and when the cabin is on the anti-clockwise, you have seen this. The difference is 55, the angle of 25 and 30. So once we see this, here the angle is plus 25, there is minus 30, because it is on the anti-clockwise. So the advantages of using here is like it adds extra comfortability, it ensures safety, easy to maintain, like we can renew it and we can know the status of it, as well as the pilot can easily identify the balance system. Not only the pilot, but also the aircraft mechanical and maintenance engineers also can identify the current status. But also by using this gyro sensor, we can easily open the door when the aircraft is in 180 degree, we can easily open the door between the cabin and the airframe.
Everything has a market value. Our invention have also market value. Like that, it's easy to maintain. If we input a hydraulic system, there must be a oil leakage or centrifugal force differential or center of gravity differences. But in this ball racer case, it is easy to renewable and maintain and low cost in installing project. If we install ball racer, we can install second floor system in aircraft also. Like that, it's also control the two floors as friction free and in a correct angle, so that we can earn twice the amount of normal one. Our strength is solve the major problem. Weakness is gyroscope is a wireless technology, so in some old flights, so it's not suitable to communicate in the flight without wire. And the opportunities is idea can be bought aircraft manufacturers, and the threats, no inventions like this, so we don't have any threats. We get some users in these websites which help that.
Okay, now I will explain the practical one here.
Red one is the ball roller support. So once you rotate this, see the silver won't rotate. The reason is that the
This is the outer gyroscope. This is the inner gyroscope. This will take place on the outer airframe. Outer airframe, and this will be placed in the cabin. So once it goes here, it shows minus. It shows that it is going back. And it shows the difference here. And we have used nano RD also. Suppose we have just for showing a demo. We just need, so this will be like a small demo, right? So we have used nano RD. And according to the purpose, we can change the RD. We are using digital screen to show this. We have used the gyro sensor.
Let me invite Dr. Alan Robertson on stage to give that award to the winning team. Best team coordination, Jaffna Hindu College. Please be on stage. Can we give them another round of applause? Thank you.
Guys, we are from Jaffna and the college, and we have won the best team coordination award for the in-house 2019. And thank you in-house as well as for Idea Mart, the Dialogue, as well as for the Swissborn University for hosting this event and making this event successful, and as well as for the team members, especially for Harindran Fernando, Mr. Harindran Fernando. So nice hospitality given by the in-house team, and thank you in-house team.